This is the MEION Retractable WDT Espresso Distribution Tool. Everything all protected in styrofoam, very nice. And inside the package, you are going to get the Espresso Distribution Tool itself. Little stand for it. 6 extra 0.35 millimeter food grade replacement needles. 1 little needle storage tube. And 1 user manual. Nice pictures in it. Easy to read instructions here that show you how to do everything you need to do, from replacing the needles to getting it set up however you want. So I'm new to the world of WDT, so give me some leeway if I'm bad at it or if I say the wrong thing. I'm still learning. So it's all metal. It's about 5 inches long and about 3/4 inches wide this way. The case itself is round, except there's a couple little flat spots right here that make it easier for you to hold if you wanted to. It has an easy to use magnetic release system on here. There's a button trigger on the top of it. You just press it, the needles drop, and you can either give it a flip to return it back into the case or just, turn it upside down and it goes back in. The needles are removable, so if you don't want to use all 6 of them, you can take one, take a couple out, use 3, 4, whatever you like. Take the top off. You can see the little button right here. And the spring is inside of here for that. Triggers this magnetic system. Like I said, they've given you 6 extra replaceable needles. If you want to replace them, the best thing to do is retract it first, and then you just unscrew this bottom part right here. And the needles are inside of here. You're just going to unscrew this. And you can see the magnets inside of here, and you can take out as many as you want or put as many as you want in there. I would suggest doing it just like I did it right here. Run them through here one at a time. Put the magnet in, screw it back into place, then put everything in upside down. That's the trick. And you're good to go. You can see that when we drop the needles, they expand outward to give us a larger stirring area. Like I said before, the needles are 0.35 millimeters in diameter, so they're not too springy and they're not too stiff. This is a cool little tool that I didn't know I needed. It is small, it's portable if you want to take it somewhere, and it is easy to store, obviously, with this little stand they gave you. Doesn't take up much room at all. I love the aluminum base on it. Very nice.